This works great. This works great. Maybe I should try my web shoot attack. Maybe I should try my web shoot attack. Maybe I should try my web stun attack. Maybe I should try my web stun attack. All right. Yeah. Excellent. Great. Wow. Cool. Nice. Good stuff. Well done. That was great. That was cool. That was really good. Hey, cool. Awesome. Well done. Unbelievable. Fantastic. Amazing. Spectacular. Incredible. Outstanding. Superb. That's unbelievable. Now that was amazing. That's spectacular. Now that was incredible. Too cool. That was terrific. You can't beat me. I'm the hero. I can't believe you think you can beat me. I'm not just the web slinger, I'm a cultural icon. Come on, you know you can't win. Okay, but no tears when it's over. All right. Yeah!
Here's a gift for our new friend. He killed her. I saw him do it. I think this situation calls for a hands-on approach. Hey, look, Parker, I'm already dressed for a funeral. Yours. God, how could you give this up? It's funny. I always knew I was better than you, Parker. And now I'm gonna prove it. What is it they say about things you throw away? One man's trash is another man's treasure. Kinda wishing you held on to the black suit now, huh, Parker? Like looking in a mirror, ain't it? Only I'm bigger and better. Face it, Tiger. You're just a loser. Hey, thanks for this suit. It's like the ultimate hand-me-down. Take my word for it, with great power.
What? Let you off easy after what you put me through? I don't think so. Oh, you know that, do you? Well, spoiler alert, with great power comes great fun. Hurting people makes my day. Oh, give me a break. I'm loving every minute of this. You're mine, Peter. Next I'm going after MJ, and after that... What did you do? Stop! The suit! My power! The suit! What's happening?
Parker! I'll kill you, Peter! Why are you hiding from a task? I know how to control the suit now. Isn't that what you wanted? You lock me up like an animal. Our fathers died to create me, and now you will too. You used me, and now you will pay. I should have done this right the first time. Feed. Hunger. 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 Kill. Kill. Hurry up, Parker! Quit slacking, boy! Come on, Parker, let's go! Slowpoke? Look out, lady! Out of my way, nerd! Watch that first step, Parker. It's a doozy! Coming through! If you want to fight, follow me. Thank you. Lady, put a towel on. Now you see me, now you don't. Get back here. Not too far, little spider. Not too far, little spider. Not so fast. Get off that wall. No wall crawling. Yeah. Tasty. Shaken, not stirred. Gotcha. Laying down on the job, Parker? Who is it? Come in! Wanna lift? Enjoy the ride, Parker. Pop quiz, hotshot. You're on a speeding subway with mutant lizard men raining down on you. What do you do? What do you do? Mary Jane's at the next stop, Spidey. Mary Jane, it's just a train ride away. Hang on, Parker. Mary Jane's at the next stop. What are you, stupid? Hurry up, Spidey! What is taking you so long? Ooh, look at the big brain on Spidey. Better try another one. Guess again. Mary Jane won't last much longer. It's not that hard, Spider-Man. Ooh, you're hot, baby. Might as well be walking on the sun. You're on fire, baby. Starting to sweat here, Parker? Warmer? If you can't stand the heat, stay out of the kitchen, Parker. Colder. Colder? Cool as ice. Ice, ice, baby. My, said the spider to the smaller spider. Spidey, where are you? Come to Papa. Brains, yummy. Itsy bitsy spider. Oh boy. Mary Jane looks a little thirsty. By the by, Parker, how long can Mary Jane hold her breath? Oh, Spider-Man! Oh, help me! I'm drowning! Hey, what does this switch do? Oh, look! Another switch! Not fast enough, Spider-Man! Where are you? Hey! You made it! I'd let you see your wifey poo, but she's in the bath right now. So, what do you say, Spunky? Let's finish this! How do I not the... My, said the spider to the smaller spider. Where you going, Parker? Cool as ice. Ice, ice, baby. Colder? Warmer? Might as well be walking on the sun. If you can't stand the heat, stay out of the kitchen, Parker. Oh, you're on fire, baby. Starting to sweat here, Parker. Hurry up, Parker. Quit slacking, boy. Come on, Parker. Let's go. Slowpoke. Oh, sorry, lady. Didn't see a thing. Look out, lady. Out of my way, nerd. Watch that first step, Parker. It's a doozy. Coming through. Hey, it's Donald Trump. Come here, Spidey.
Laying down on the job again, Parker. Hope Mary Jane doesn't mind. Alright, Spider-Man, if you want to fight, follow me. Now you see me, now you don't. Who is it? Sorry, not interested. Already got one.
Where are you going, Spider-Man? Come back here, Spider-Man! Die! 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 Here I come! Oh, the pain! Oh, the pain! Stop! Make it stop! Stop! Make it stop! You will pay for that, Spider-Man! Yes! Come here! Come here! What are you doing? Don't touch me! Let go of me! Does it hurt? No more humans. No more bugs. You killed my brethren! I am going to cut you! Bet you weren't expecting that! Nice try! What color do you bleed, Spider-Man? What color do you bleed? Did you get the point, Spider-Man? I hope I don't have to axe you twice. Stay sharp, Spidey. You may have defeated everyone else, but you won't defeat me! Venom couldn't stop me. What makes you think you can? You think this is hard? You should have seen it before the focus tests.
Come back here, Spider-Man. Where are you going, Spider-Man? Die! 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 Here I come. Okay. Stop! Make it stop! You will pay for that, Spider-Man. Catch! Come here! Come here! What are you doing? Don't touch me! Let go of me! Does it hurt? No more humans! No more bugs! You killed my brethren! I'm going to cut you! I bet you weren't expecting that! Nice try! What color do you bleed, Spider-Man? Did you get the point, Spider-Man? I hope I don't have to ask you twice. Stay sharp, Spidey. You may have defeated everyone else, but you won't defeat me. Venom couldn't stop me. What makes you think you can? Do you think this is hard? You should have seen it before they focus tested me.